Is it time to renew your license or ID? Or maybe you've lost yours and need to replace it? Well, it's easier than you think, and you have options. And we're going to give you some pro tips along the way. For example, your first pro tip is that you don't have to wait until your expiration date to renew. Most renewals can happen up to 2 years before the expiration date, allowing you the freedom to plan ahead. All right, let's get into your options. You can order a replacement at Texas.gov. This option doesn't require very much time, and no appointment or office visit is needed. The only requirement is that your last renewal was done in an office and your record is eligible. Select the Find Services option, and then choose Renew Replace Driver License option. Follow Texas.gov's instructions for signing in. And as long as you know or have the DD audit number from your current ID or driver license card, you will be able to order a replacement. Your card will arrive in the mail without needing to visit an office. Okay, you tried to go to Texas.gov, but you either didn't have the audit number or the system says you aren't eligible. Then you'll need to come in and see us. Make an appointment at tx.dpsscheduler.com and then come see us. Pro tip number 2. Don't check in for your appointment until you arrive at our office, or your appointment could be called while you are still en route. Once you've checked in at our kiosk, grab the form that applies to your visit. For most renewals or replacements, this is a DL14A. Have a seat and fill in your information. We'll use the application to verify your record and make any changes you might have. Did you know that the state of Texas is Real ID compliant? That means all Texas driver's license and IDs now come with a fancy little star. Not for being a good driver, though that's awesome, but to show you're federally ready for things like boarding domestic flights or entering federal buildings. So yeah, that star, kinda a big deal. Pro tip number 3. If you are changing your name, please be sure to bring an original or certified copy of the document that verifies your name change, such as a court order or a marriage certificate. Pro tip number 4. Address changes are the easiest to process. Just bring your current or previously issued driver's license or ID. That's it. No extra documents needed besides the application. Easiest errand of the week? Maybe. Here's the best part. If you renewed in our offices in the last 5 to 8 years, we probably have all other documentation you need already on file. That means we won't ask you for any type of paperwork. If you aren't sure, you can bring your identity documents with you, like your passport, birth certificate, report of birth abroad issued by the Department of State, or your certificate of citizenship or naturalization. If you are not a citizen, but you have lawful presence in the United States, you may need to bring us some documents like permanent resident card, employment authorization card, valid I-94, I-797A, B, or C with extension, or other immigration documents that verify with DHS. Check out the DL57 for a more comprehensive list of documents. Pro tip number 5. If you are replacing your lost license, please bring something that shows us you are, well, you. If you've lost everything and don't have anything to show us, we can still try to validate your identity. When it's your turn, one of our friendly specialists will process your application, collect your payment, and get you on your way. You will be given a paper ID by a specialist showing your renewal, or the online system will send it to you. Carry that with you until your new card arrives in the mail, usually about 2 weeks from your visit. Renewals are that easy. And that's not all. We have some new features coming soon. Our applications will go digital. That means you will fill out your application online before ever visiting our office. We will also have the ability to renew or replace most driver licenses and identification cards through a virtual appointment, right from the comfort of your own home or office. Wow, that's amazing! We'll make announcements when these 2 new features are ready, so stay tuned.